Can you turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and see if you can turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp. So, as of 2025, you cannot fully disable or remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. However, you can reduce its presence and avoid interacting with it. So simply tap on the chat button and the search suggestion that invoke the Meta AI, or you can also swipe left on the Meta AI chat and then tap on the archive or delete option, or you can also go ahead and mute notifications for the Meta AI chat so it does not pop up. And if you are in the European region or a region with strong data protection laws, then you can submit an opt-out request for your public data being used for AI training. So, as of now, there is no setting in WhatsApp to disable Meta AI or remove the icon or the button. Uninstalling or reinstalling the app does not remove Meta AI from your account once it has been activated, since the feature is integrated at the account or server level. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.